Before we get into the video, I just want to say you can still register to vote. I'll put links in the description that make it so easy to register to vote. All you have to do is fill out the forms, print them out, and take them to your local courthouse. It takes all of maybe 5 minutes to fill out the forms, and then taking them to your local courthouse, they will give you a location to bring them to, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay a filing fee, you don't have to pay to register. They will do it for you, and you'll get a notification in the mail or by email that you have been registered to vote. We still have 4 months left before the presidential election, so you have plenty of time to register, but make sure that you check the deadline for your state because every state does have a different deadline to register to vote. With everything that's happening in the country right now, it is so important to make your voice heard, and the most direct way to do that is to register to vote. A lot of the stuff that you have an opinion on or you believe in is probably going to be on the ballot this year in your state, whether it's abortion rights, marijuana rights, whether it's something financial that you believe in or something humanitarian that you believe in. It's probably on the ballot. There's probably something that you can vote for to make a direct change in your community right now. Every vote matters. Every single person voting matters. I'm not going to tell you who to vote for, but I just want you to know that if you want something to happen, you have to be the instigator of that change. So go register to vote. I'll put links in the description once again. Click on the links, they'll take you to websites that make it so easy to register. Make your voice heard this year, okay? With that said, let's get into the video. Hi guys, if you just came back from my last video, we got into drag, or we practiced getting into drag for my drag performance July 19th, and it has since been several weeks since that happened. I'm assuming since this is getting uploaded. So I just finished putting all my drag away and cleaning my brushes, and my room is still a mess, but everything else should be, you know, pretty clean. So I just wanted to show you guys how I get out of drag and what my skincare routine is, since I've gotten a lot of questions from like almost everyone I've known about my skincare routine. So I was just like, I want to show you guys how to take care of your skin, or at least how I take care of my skin. The way that I do it may not work for you. I just know what works for my skin and what works for me. So I'm just going to show you that now. Okay, so I start with taking all my makeup off with some makeup wipes. There's two different kinds that I use. So I use these hydrating Neutrogena ones, and then these other ones with aloe in them. I don't remember the brand of that one, but I just showed it to you. And I'm just gonna get the majority of my face makeup off with that. And then I have this eye makeup this eye makeup remover gel from Bliss, and then I'm gonna go in with some micellar water. And AINSLEY actually showed me how to like make this giant bubble with the micellar water on a cotton pad. You just blow on it and it makes the micellar water go way further because, I mean, you're like spreading it out more. And so yeah, once I've got like the majority of the makeup off, I'm going to go into the bathroom and I'm going to cover my face in coconut oil. And coconut oil actually is really hydrating for your skin, but it helps get makeup off really easy. Then I'm gonna jump in the shower because coconut oil can clog your pores. So I'm going to, I kind of did a bad part with this. I did a bad job at this part because this is where I double cleanse my face with the CeraVe facial cleanser, and I'm not sucking dick here. I'm waterboarding myself with ice cold water to close my pores. Also, I apply an exfoliator. Sorry, this is not helpful. Anyways, I add a toner. I add a toner and put that all over my face. And you guys know I hate Revolution, but this CBD essence spray really calms me down. And it's really hydrating, makes my skin feel good and cool. It does have a kind of chemically smell and taste, so I'm probably not gonna use it once I run out of it. Then I put some hyaluronic acid on from CeraVe. Sorry, I'm breaking up with someone while I'm voicing this over. He wants to try long distance and it's not gonna work. Then I put on some eye jelly from whatever the brand is, the Balm to the Rescue, yeah, that. I tap that under my face and then I step outside to let my face dry a little bit. After that, I'm going to apply a hydrating moisturizer. I use this one from Shea Moisture, I think it's called, but I use 2 drops because my skin does get really dry. And then I'm gonna add a facial oil to lock that moisture in. What a lot of people don't realize is even though you might have oily skin, your skin's probably overcompensating because it's not getting enough moisture. So if you think you have oily skin, try applying a moisturizer, and that might help regulate some of that oiliness. Oh God, he really wants to make it work. I don't think that's going to. Then I apply a sunscreen lotion from CeraVe. And then I'm going to apply some lavender essential oil. It makes me smell good and it's really calming. And then I also apply a lip balm in this step just to make sure that my skin and my lips all stay really soft. That's all from me, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe, all the YouTube things. Please check out my music in the description. I'm so happy to be able to give you guys videos and looks into my life and stuff like that. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.